Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Our today's topic is lean closure and positive closure. Okay, we have already seen some of the points of this unit. Okay, so we have already calculated sigma star. There we have seen, or we have called it as a sigma star, but in case of automata theory it is having a formal name that is nothing but the lean closure. Okay, so here onwards we will say sigma closure. So sigma closure is nothing but the union of all the powers of sigma from 0 to infinity. So sigma star is nothing but sigma raised to 0 union sigma raised to 1 union sigma raised to 2 union sigma raised to 3 up to infinity. It means what? Sigma closure is equal to empty, then 0, then 1, double 0, 0, 1, etc. Means this set will include all the possible combinations of elements present in set sigma. Okay, so sigma star मध्ये काय केलं तर sigma star मध्ये 0 आणि 1 नी बनलेले सगळ्या पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन्स सगळ्या पॉवरचे. ओके, सो इकडे काय झालं, सिग्मा स्टार सेट मध्ये एम्प्टी मध्ये हे दोन्हीचे कॉम्बिनेशन्स आहेत. म्हणजे एम्प्टी मध्ये 0 किती टाइम आहे तर 0 0 टाइम आहे आणि 1 पण किती टाइम आहे 0 आहे 0 टाइम आहे. ठीक आहे, सो 0 रेज टू 0 टाइम अँड 1 रेज टू 0 टाइम मीन्स नथिंग. सो नथिंग विल बी रिप्रेझेंटेड in case of finite automata with the help of empty symbol. Okay, so here next element is single 0. So here 0 is 1 time and 1 is 0 time. Okay, so again here single element is 1. So here again combination of 0 and 1 is there. So that is nothing but 0 0 time and 1 1 time. Okay, so next element is double 0. So here 0 raised to 2 dot 1 raised to 0. हे असंही कॉम्बिनेशन होऊ शकतं. परतच्या स्ट्रिंगमध्ये 0 एक वेळेस आहे आणि 1 एक वेळेस आहे. इथे 1 जे आहे ते आधी घेतला आहे आणि 0 नंतर घेतला. ओके, जसं मी म्हटलं की 0 आणि 1चे सगळे पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन्स विथ ऑल पॉवर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. ओके, सो 0 इज द मेजर कन्सर्न. ओके, सो सपोज एखाद्या सिम्बॉलचं आपल्याला जर क्लोजर फाइंड आउट करायचं असेल देन दॅट वुड बी कॅल्क्युलेटेड ॲज. ओके, सो सपोज वी हॅव ए, सो वी वॉन्ट टू कॅल्क्युलेट ए क्लोजर, देन हाऊ इट विल बी कॅल्क्युलेटेड. सो first element is always empty because a raised to 0 will give empty means nothing. Okay, so that will be represented by empty. Then next element is what? A raised to 1. So a raised to 1 is nothing but a raised to 2 means 2 times a raised to 3 means 3 times a. up to infinity means a raised to infinity पर्यंत हा पूर्ण सेट कंप्लीट असू शकतो. ओके, सो दॅट मीन्स a raised to a closure is equal to a raised to 0 union a raised to 1 union a raised to 2 union a raised to 3. Okay, suppose if a is symbol. Okay, so same is the concept related to positive closure. Positive closure is represented with the help of sigma raised to plus. Okay, so it is nothing but called as positive closure. So this means what? One or more repetition of any set or any symbol. Okay, so lean closure is nothing but 0 or more repetition, but positive closure means what? One or more repetition. So how it will be calculated? Same as lean closure. So sigma raised to plus is equal to 0 1 double 0 infinity. Here we have excluded only empty, so that's the difference between these two, because only the power of 0 will be excluded. So because positive closure starting from 1 or more repetitions means what? Sigma raised to plus or positive closure of sigma will always start from sigma raised to 1 union sigma raised to 2 union sigma raised to 3. So here we have excluded what? Sigma raised to 0 in case of positive closure. Okay, so sigma raised to sigma positive closure is always a subset of sigma lean closure. Okay, so these two are having same number of same elements excluding just empty. Okay, that's the single difference between positive closure and lean closure. I think you have understood all the concepts related to closure. Okay, so if you have any query then please comment on the video. Thank you very much.